Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name on imToken's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your name on imToken's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your imToken application. The home page of imToken application will appear on the screen. Tap on default option. On the next page, click on name. Edit your name from the pop-up and click on confirm. This is how you can change your name on imToken's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.